From 1st September, the ads have got disapproved because of destination mismatch, and all the ads are being disapproved. So there's something wrong what the URL you put in the ads and where you are sending it. It has got to be the same. So make sure that this is a simple mistake which can be made very easily. Just check all the ads in your account. And one of the easiest and quickest way to do that is in Google Ads Editor. You can select 10, 100, or 1,000 ads, or as many as you've got in one go. You can just check that the final URL is correct, and then you shouldn't have any problems. If you have checked it and you know that everything is 100%, then you need to give Google a shout and get them to check it manually.